Hi everyone, Miss Perro here, and I'm going to walk you through a lesson that's all about using writing as a gift. So I was actually inspired to do this lesson because in my grad school class, we had to interview a partner and then we had to create a gift for them. And um, I actually interviewed a friend of mine. I'm not going to say her name, but she told me a beautiful story about her life with her father and a relationship she has with her parents. So I decided to, after I listened to her story and interviewed her, I learned a lot about her. And I learned that she is more than the events that have happened to her. So I gifted her back a little piece of writing along with this drawing that I made for her. And it inspired me to actually use this for a mini lesson this week. Please excuse my messy hair. All right, let me share my screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so thank you, recording note. Here is what I am using to guide us through a similar activity. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick someone to give your gift to. So you're going to have to walk them through an empathy interview. An empathy interview is a chance for you to get to know the person better and to understand where they're coming from. So you can ask a friend, a family member, a special person in your life to spend 5 to 10 minutes talking with you for an interview. And these are the notes that you are, or the questions you're going to use to walk your subject through an interview. So the questions are, what's it like to be you? And your subject is probably going to be like, how do I answer that? You can say, well, what is it like to be you? And just see what comes out and take some notes. Who is a person who's really important in your life and why? Reflecting on the world we live in today, what is something that inspires you? What scares you? What is your favorite thing to do when you're feeling stressed? And what is the best lesson you ever learned? So after you ask your person all of these questions, make sure you take notes. You can either make a copy of this, type inside, or you can handwrite your notes. You are then going to take like 10 or more minutes if you're feeling inspired to do your writing. So think about what this person would want to get in return. Would they want a letter? Would they want a thank you card? A poem, a story, a song, or some other creative expression, and create something for them. And then before you give your gift to them, make sure you edit it and revise. So I give you some tips here of how you can do your editing. Just so you all know, when I gave this to my friend, I actually didn't realize that I spelled something wrong and I left a word out. So I wish I had done this step. So make sure that you go and you do some editing. You can call me, set up one-on-one if you want to do a conference. And then give your gift. It's going to be so exciting. You may bring someone to tears, especially if you're doing like just people that you've never really expressed your feelings to before. It could be really special. And then take a photo of something from your experience, whether it's the writing or a picture of the person receiving the gift, and share it to Seesaw so we can all get the love. It's going to be awesome. I'm really excited to see what you all create, and keep it positive and have fun.